Hello, boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. Today, we will continue counting, recognizing the numbers from 11 to 20. Remember, all of this is very important because in our everyday life, there's numbers everywhere, and we need to learn how to count objects as well. So remember, we need to be able to write the number, identify the number, and count up to that number. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. Today we'll be talking about number 17 and 18. So let's start with number 17. So this is what number 17 looks like. And when we are writing it, we start at the top and then we come down to make 1. And for the 7 on 17, you come across and then you come down or you slant down this way. Okay, so go ahead with your finger, do it in the air. Do the 1, go from up all the way down. And then here you start across and then you slant down. That's how you make number 17. In a 10 frames, on the 10 frames, we show number 17 by having 10 circles on the first 10 frame and then 7 more on the second 10 frame. And let's count them together so that we can practice counting up to 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Good job. And with dice, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 dice. And we're going to count the dots to make sure it's 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so now let's see different ways to make 17. Okay. So this is what number 17 looks like, and we did it in the air. We did the 1 and then the 7. Those two digits together make number 17, okay? And we talked about on the 10 frames, we fill out one 10 frame and then 7 more to make 17. And on the other page, we already counted the 17 dots, right? So let's move on. So here's 17 fingers, so we're going to count them. 1, practice with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And here we have 17 cows. We're going to again practice counting up to 17. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Good job. And number 17 comes in between 16 and 18. So before 17, it's 16, and then after 17, it's 18. And we can also count it forwards like this: 16, 17, and 18. This is what 17 tally marks look like. Okay, so we're going to count them. Remember, we also have to count the one that comes across. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Good job. Now let's go take a look at number 18. Okay, this is number 18. So we're going to practice writing it. So number 18 has two digits. It has the 1 and the 8 together. But when we look at it, we can't say 1 and 8. We say 18. When they're together, it's number 18. So we're going to write it. You're going to start on the top and then you're going to come down. And then for the 8, you're going to start a curve. You're going to curve around and then come back up around. So like a curve and then come back up. All right, so let's do it in the air. Start with the 1 from the top to the bottom. Then the 8 at the top. And you curve around and then come back up curving around. All right, that's number 18. And to show 18, on the 10 frames, you have to fill 1 up. You have to do 10 here and then 8 more over here. Okay? So let's count them just to make sure it's 18 and also to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. And here we have dice and there's 18 dots, so we can count them together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. So now let's take a look at how to make 18. Okay, so here's number 18. And we already talked about the 10 frames. Remember, to make 18 on the 10 frames, you have to do 10 in one 10 frame and then 8 more on the other 10 frame. And we also counted the dots. We practiced counting them up to 18. So let's go to the next page. Now we're going to count these fingers. They are going to equal to 18. So let's count so we can practice counting up to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. Now we're going to count 18 cows. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. Now remember, number 18 comes in between 17 and 19. So before we say 18, we say 17. And after 18 comes 19. And you can also count it like this: 17, 18, 19. That's counting it forward. Okay, so now this is what 18 tally marks look like. That's a lot, right? So we're going to count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. All right, so now let's talk about your homework. Okay, for today's homework, we're going to be working on the All About poster for number 17 and 18. So go ahead and grab yours so we can do it together. So up here it says All About, and we're going to write number 17. Number 17, it has 2 digits. It has the 1 and then the 7 to make number 17. So let's start with the 1. You start on the top and then you come down. And then on the for the 7, you start up here, you come across, and then you come down in an angle. So that's number 17. Here it says name, and this is how we write 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. Now we're going to do the tally marks, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We come across. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go this way. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We come this way. 16 and 17. Good job. That's 17 tally marks. What it can look like. So it can look like the one we just did right now, or it can be with the fancy 1 and the 7, or it can just be with like that but nothing in the bottom, and then the 7. Or sometimes you might see the 7 like that, or even sometimes with a line there. So all of this are number 17. So now we're going to do our objects. I'm going to draw 17 objects, but if you have stickers, small stickers, you can bring those out now. So I'm going to do 17 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so now we're going to our 10 frame. And for the 10 frames, we're going to do all of one because it will be 10 here and then 7 more to make 17. Okay, so let's count them together while we draw our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we did one full 10 frame, which there's 10 in there, and then we did 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to make 17. All right, good job. So now we're gonna work on the All About 18 poster. So go ahead and take that out. And so we can do it together, or you can watch this video and then you can do it by yourself. So All About 18, 18 has 2 digits. It has the 1 and an 8. So the 1 and the 8 together is number 18. So to write number 18, we start with the 1, we start from the top, and then we come down. And for the number 8, you can do a curve on the top and then come around and then curve back up to make a number 18. And this is how you spell 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause it. Now we're going to do the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, come across 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come across 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, come across 15, 16, 17, and 18. So what can number 18 look like? It could look like the way we wrote it, or it could look like sometimes they'll do like a circle, a small circle on top and a big circle on the bottom. That's also number 18, or it can come with a fancy 1, or with this one, like just like that. So those are all different ways that you can find number 18. For the objects, let's see what I'm going to draw now. I think I'm going to do triangles, 18 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, so now we're down to our 10 frames. Remember, for the 10 frames, we're going to fill out all of this 10 frame and then 8 more to make 18. So let's start drawing them and counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we filled up all of that 10 frame plus 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to make 18 on the 10 frames. So this is what's going to be your homework. You have to do your own All About 17 and All About 18 poster. Take a picture of it and send it to me or to your teacher. And I will see you here tomorrow. We're going to be looking at the numbers 19 and 20. Bye-bye.